Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about finding the area of a parallelogram. So we're going to go ahead and get started with our lesson. We're going to start with our can statement. I can calculate the area of a parallelogram. To calculate the area of parallelogram, you can use a calculator like what we've used in class or a basic calculator at home. To find the area of a parallelogram, you must use the formula. Area equals base times height, or area equals BH. In the picture right here that we have a parallelogram. Our formula A equals BH, and we identified the base as 8 6/10 and the height as 10 3/10. To follow the formula, we must multiply these numbers together. 8 6/10 times 10 3/10, and we will get the product of 88 and 5800ths. And we must include our units, and our units will be squared. So the product would be 88 and 5800ths. Guided practice problem number 1. Find the area of the parallelogram below. So we must identify our formula. We must use our formula. A equals base times height. And following the formula, you must follow it. If it's asking you to multiply, multiply. You should not be adding or subtracting or doing anything other than multiplying when you're following the formula. Our base in this problem would be 10. Our height would be 5. So when we multiply those two numbers together, we would have gotten 50. 50 feet squared. Remember to include your units squared on geometry problems. Guided practice problem number 2. It says find the area of the parallelogram below. So we're going to use our formula. Area equals base times height. Our base in this problem will be 11. That's the bottom of the figure. And we have two numbers that they give us. They give us an 8 and a 7. Think of the height as in when you go to the doctor, they measure your height. You stand straight up and down when they measure you. You're not at a slant or leaning on something. So the height goes straight up and down. So our height in this problem will be 7. So we have area equals 11 times 7, which will give us 77 meters squared. Our guided practice problem number 3 is kind of different. It asks us to find the missing dimension of the parallelogram below. So we have our formula. Area equals base times height. They give us the area, so we don't have to find the area. We have to find the missing part. So we have 48 meters squared equals, they give us the height of 6. It goes straight up and down, 6. And we're trying to find the base. So what this is telling us is 6 times a number that we don't know equals 48 meters squared. So what we'll do, we'll divide both sides by 6. And we have 8 meters equals B, which is the base. Now what I would like for you to do now is to pause your video and work on the next 3 problems independently. You're going to work on the independent practice number 1 problem, the independent practice number 2 problem, and the Georgia test practice problem. Once you're done, you can go to slide number 10 and check your answers. Please do not check your answers before you do the problems. That will not benefit anybody. If you get it wrong, try to figure out what you did wrong. But do those 3 problems independently, and on this slide right here, you'll be able to check your answers. And the last slide is the assignment for today. the assignment for today, you're going to log on to Google Classroom and click on the quizzes game link for area of parallelograms. This will be for a grade, so take your time and do your best. Other helpful resources that you may need or you might not need them would be a brain pop video for area of polygons. You can do problems in page 181, or 581, excuse me, 581 to 582 in your textbook. That'll be volume 2. Or you can email the 6th grade math teachers. You can email me, you email the other 6th grade math teachers if you have questions about any of this that was in this presentation. I hope that you found this video beneficial and helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us